I've been a bit naughty. I've put primer on it already. Oh dear. Sorry guys. I forgot to film. I've prepped it all already. I've got it's not perfect. There's still a little bit, but I just want to get it. I just want to get it painted. There's a couple of little marks in it still, but it's all right. It's going to be okay. Yeah. So I've put on a 2K primer already, and I'm going to do the same now. I'm going to put a 2K top coat on it. I've already flattened it back with some Scotch Brite. With these things, I scratched it over. So let's just blow a coat over. Right, let's get on with it. Just going to mix up some paint a minute. I'm hoping it doesn't get too dusty for you. Basically what we want to do is put on one good coat. This is what it's designed for. So maybe we'll just give it a light blow over first, leave it for a couple of minutes, and then we'll put a heavier coat on, and that's it. That's all we're doing. So I'm going to transfer this into the gun, and then I'll see you in a minute. Hoping you don't get too dusty like you did last time. So watch this please. Somewhere. Oh, that's drying. Sorry guys. Few runs in it. There's a run there, but I can block sand that out after. So I'm just going to do the black now. So I've got to find somewhere to hang this. Yes, again I have a few runs in it, but it's not a problem because I can block sand that out afterwards. The trouble with it is it's too dark in here and I can't see what I'm doing. It's much easier to do it outside. But yeah, what do you think? I think it looks alright, don't you? Leave that overnight to cure off. I think it looks quite nice. For a home spray job, it's not too bad. I've done the handlebars as well, but they've reacted a little bit because the paint's not very good. So I'm just got some cellulose left now, so I'm just going to use that just for this bit of black here. So I'll get on with that. So see you in a minute. Just taking these out. These are my little homemade caps for the bottom bracket. I had them screwed into here. Just going to take that one out as well. There we go. Thing is, if the paint's gone down inside, then when it hardens I won't be able to unscrew it and it'll crack the paint, so I thought I'll do it now while it's soft. I'll have to take these little ones out as well, I think. That's alright, they're okay actually. Those I'm not going to be using anymore because I've got a big bag to go in there, and that's where all the components are going to go. So yes, pretty pleased with that. Sorry there was no teeth, but never mind. Right, let's get on. So see you in the next one.